Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to adjust line spacing within your Google Doc document, right? So it doesn't matter whichever document you're working on, you'll be able to follow these steps to adjust your line spacing. Now as you can see here, I have a sample CV in this document here guys, and we're going to focus on the bulletin section, right? So if you look at it, the bulletin section, it is kind of close with these lines of text, and we are going to adjust them, right? So how do you do this? In order to adjust your line spacing, you want to highlight the text that you would like to adjust those spacing for, and we will do this for these texts and these texts and also these texts as well, right? So let's do the first one. So I'm going to highlight the text, and then you want to look on the options here within this bar, right? And here if you look, you have this button that says line and paragraph spacing. So you want to click on that, and as you can see, you have a bunch of options. You have the single, you have the 1.15, the 1.5, the double. I'm going to click on each so that you can see. So the single look like that. As you can see, it's very close. The 1.15 looks like that. Also you have the 1.5, which looks much better, and you also have the double, which looks like that. So that's even much better as well. And you also have a few more options. You also have the custom spacing. So if you'd like to do something much more, you can click on custom spacing and you can make it much more. As you can see, it says 2. You can apply that as you wish, and basically the 2 is what it is for double, right? So you can basically click on the custom and you can say, okay, 3 or 4, let's put it like 4, apply. You can also adjust the list item within the space. You can choose that as well, but we'll just focus on the line spacing for now. Apply, and as you can see, it is much wider. So it's up to you how much you want the space in between. You can always go ahead and choose. So I'm going to choose this for the second one. I'm going to copy this text and I will just choose something else. Let's leave this one for the double, and let's just choose the second one here and just leave it as a 1.5. And there you have it guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and adjust your line spacing within your Google documents. All you have to do, just simply highlight your text, and then you want to click on the button that says line and paragraph, and you can change the line spacing. So remember this button now guys, it says line and paragraph spacing. Whenever you need to change your line spacing between your text in Google Docs, you just need to click on this button and make the changes yourself. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.